All right, so I'm here with Jon Kelly. He's a customer of ours at Motion. And I feel like the story just needs to be told. This car is so cool. It's a 68 Camaro, and your dad owned it originally?
Yeah, not the original one, but he raced it when I was a kid.
Okay. Yep. And this crazy paint job, is it still original from like day one? Or
it got painted in 1971.
Okay. And you recently did an LS swap with it, but wasn't it, you had to look all over to find it, right?
Yeah. He sold it when I was like 12 years old, and then probably 4 years ago I started looking for it. It took 2 years to find it, and it was in just north of Reno, Nevada.
Just sitting out in the desert?
Yeah, the guy had it. He had raced a couple years previous, and then it did sit outside for a little while, hence the sun fade on the paint.
The patina is perfect, and everybody's been looking at this thing this weekend, so I was like, dude, you gotta tell the story, because people love it, but they don't know the backstory. I feel like the story is like everything with the car. But what's the car? Tell us about the combo and stuff.
Basically, I just got the more out of the junkyard a few weeks ago. It's the L33, head studs, LS9 gaskets, poly throttle body. We got some nitrous on it. We're not spraying it this weekend. But yeah, I mean, it's just a basic, typical LS starter pack.
Cool. Well, it's awesome to see you get the car back and race it, but I just love that story. So
yeah, it was a blast. I always dreamed of having it. And a few years ago, it was kind of like a whim. Me and the wife thought, oh, let's see if we can hunt it down somewhere. And via Facebook, and I sent messages to racetracks and pictures of the car to local racers down there, and eventually we were able to hook up with the guy. And actually, when I got hold of him, he said it wasn't for sale. And then about a year later, I was sitting at work one morning about 8 a.m. and I got a message on Facebook from the guy, and he said, "Hey, it's Matt." And I was like, "I don't know who, you know?" And
yeah.
He said, "I got the Camaro you're looking for." And he said, "I'm ready to sell it." So I just text back sold. And I ran outside and I called the wife. I was like, "Hey, we got the car." And she's like, "That's awesome. How much?" And I said, "I have no idea. I didn't ask." And she said, "Well, just do whatever you gotta do to get it." So then me and Dad drove out.
Did he love it when he saw it again?
Oh yeah, he was. Yeah. Him and Mom were extremely excited when we found the car again. So.
I hope you never change the paint. It's so cool. So.
I can't do it.
Well, I know you got a ton of Motion products on this, so I appreciate your business. And,
yeah,
I hope everybody gets to see this. His Instagram is @JPKelly.
JP_Kelly.
Yeah, follow it. He's got all kinds of cool pictures of the build and everything. So, thanks, guys.